Good day, this is Attila Kovács from GTC News Daily Tech with the facts on the January 17, 2018. Google plans to build 3 underwater cables by next year to help Google Cloud reach new regions. One cable will connect Chile to Los Angeles, the second, done in conjunction with Facebook, connects the United States to Denmark and Ireland, and the third runs from Hong Kong to Guam. The Netherlands and Montreal regions will open in 2018 with Los Angeles, Finland and Hong Kong to follow. Google now has 11 direct investments in cables which help maintain services in an area in case of server malfunctions. Wall Street was set to rise on Tuesday as investors looked ahead to earnings and economic data, with the Dow expected to reach over 26,000 for the first time ever. Finally, the benchmark made it, rose 229 points, 0.89%, reaching 26,030 points and making history again. By day's end, the index pulled back to its opening state, but it has proven what it could do in the future. Ford will significantly increase its planned investments in electronic vehicles to $11 billion by 2022 and have 40 hybrid and fully electric vehicles in its model lineup. The company is taking its mainstream and most iconic vehicles and will electrify them. Ford also showed off its 2019 Ranger after pulling the mid-size pickup off the market in North America 8 years ago. Frantic selling in the closing week of 2017 saw Airbus overpower Boeing's recent lead in the global jet market to win their annual order contest for the 5th year running. The French plane maker's net order rose 52% to 1,109 aircraft last year, ahead of its US rivals 912. Boeing still came out on top in terms of production, delivering 763 planes versus Airbus 718. It was not a good day for cryptocurrencies, with South Korea stating a ban on trading was now a live option and China reportedly raising the bar on its cryptocurrency crackdown. Bitcoin dropped more than 10% within an hour, eventually tumbling 17% to under $12,000 for the first time since December 6, while Ethereum and Ripple posted losses of more than 20%. French car makers PSA global sales jumped 15% last year as strong growth in Iran and Latin America helped to offset difficulties in Britain and China. The owner of the Peugeot brand sold 3.6 million vehicles in 2017 after domestic rival Renault announced a similarly robust performance. Having resumed Iran's operations in 2016 after the lifting of international sanctions over Tehran's nuclear activities, PSA sold more than 400,000 vehicles last year. French aerospace supplier Safran SA's takeover bid for Zodiac Aerospace will be closed on the 31st of January. The French financial regulator said that the date was set after the acquisition was approved by Brazilian antitrust agency, the Conselho Administrativo de Defesa Econômica. Safran will publish the final value of the acquisition on 17th of January, today. Our daily pick for you the PayPal, which is giving some room to grow. Look for $178 for entry before earnings. Gilead is a bit ruined, but must see last August when it bought Kite. Amazon is pulling back. Unless you want a short, be patient. Ford's special dividend date is coming. Be smart with your strategy. Aon 46.87% is taken by Uniper and is growing steadily. Continental has $6 billion to spend, not yet. Keep an eye on the company. Yesterday has been a busy day for our followed pairs without any unpredicted moves. Trading seems obvious, we just have to follow basic rules. The euro-dollar initially pulled back, but after turned around and formed a hammer, which is a bullish sign unless we break below the bottom of the D1 candle, because then we could see a hanging man, and that is a very negative forecast. Until that, 1.21 is the support level. The British pounds dollar has kept following the euro dollar, and we can say the same thing here with 1.30 365 is the support for the time being. Otherwise, 140 is the next level. The dollar-yen moved back and forth during yesterday, forming a shooting star. If we break under the candle, the next stop is 107.5. There is no reason to go long for the moment. First, we must see what happens in this noisy area. This was Attila Kovács from GTC News Daily Thread. Have a nice trading day.